So now this is the picture that got me here. Gorgeous. This is the one that I saw. It's the one that I saw in the subway that I wanted to see. It's packed. We came on the holiday. Oh, look at these. Oh, these are gorgeous. Yeah. Oh, that is gorgeous. Yeah, because like a Met, I used to just go there all the time when it's sit there and just look at the painting. That's it? Because just some there? Of the paintings of that you don't want to just, and you want to, we need to go to Mets. That's my favorite. Mets? We need to go to Mets. We could do Mets, one of the Mets. Yeah, look at her on her phone. Camera on, you know. You on your phone? Who you texting?
No, I was just about to snap.
Yeah,
I hate you. I was about to snap. Snapping is my favorite thing when I go home. I just don't usually go anywhere.
So how do you really feel? How do you really feel?
Basically, the guy started out as a deadbeat artist. Then him get good, you know? Then him start doing the sexual stuff. The no man give him bun. After she give him bun, him start stash up something and call it art. That is not art. Art, people, as fuckery. I can be an artist.
You hear that?
Last part. What the hell was the last part? Come like you just saying.
Like, yeah, it started off great, and then at the end you could tell he was about to die.
At the end, no man give him too much bun. Too much bun.
So, yeah, this artist,
Your life story then.
is quite interesting.
Francis.
Yes.
In bun by Francis.
He got bun and was mad about it. So we made it to Empire State Building.
Yeah.
It's the first time in, yeah, it's called
In Portland.
first time for her. It's probably 5 times for me. But anyway, it is a cool spot to be at. It is really hell out here. But it's an experience. So, how do you really feel?
I mean, it's pretty and everything, but like, you know,
Shit
can't
about
sit
that
here
girl.
for too long. I'm ready to leave. I'm so ready to go.
So let's vlog. Look at this crazy girl who spilled ketchup on everybody today.
As of for life. Unruly.
You know I'm keeping this, right?
No. Guys, like literally this place is beautiful. I'm
Her
really
first time in
enjoying
Times
myself.
Square.
Yeah, it's really worth it. God no.
Yeah, Times Square is beautiful. Well, I don't know if you guys can see that little ass ball on the top that's supposed to drop, but that's it. But I don't think I will be out here watching a ball drop.
She will.
I'm not about that life. So I look sane, but I had
Good day.
a good day
Great day.
and some
Fabulous
lovely drink.
Where's my
Not too
picture
long
of
ago.
pizza again?
Which picture?
My museum picture.
You left it?
I gave it to you.
No, I gave it to you when you were sitting down.
Oh, we have to turn back first.
Lord jeez. So we took picture of Empire State and this homegirl.
We have to go back first. No, we have to go back.
Oh, alright, when we leave, we have to pass.
Yeah.
Yeah, she forgot the picture that was expensive as hell. Like, really?
We're going back for it.
Let's hope no one took it. But no, we left it on the gate. So, it's been an interesting day.
Great day.
She fell down the stairs. next to this lady and she poured an entire thing of ketchup on the girl. And the girl was a big girl, so she was so
I
mad
wiped
that
it
she
off, people.
she
I
did
wiped
not
it off.
eat the rest of her food. She was
That
so
girl was a
mad.
bitch. I wiped everything off.
I didn't say it, she did.
Bitch.
She was too bad though.
No problem.
Where?
Look at the photographer taking pictures.
One more.
Oh, these guys are so cute. So
Apparently I was trustworthy, people. Look at his face. What were they thinking?
what were they thinking? So I look sane.
She looks good.
But
Check this outfit out. Make a twirl. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we were drinking, guys. But we're not drinkers.
She had 2 large glasses of pina colada.
Yeah, so you can tell I'm not a drinker, but I work a lot, so this is good for me, and I'm all about relaxing. And sometimes you gotta unwind and enjoy yourself. But probably won't see this again.
New Year's Eve.
Maybe. Okay. So we just have to say good night.
Good night. Great night. I found my picture and my food. I did not remember. I forgot. I got this amazing lipstick.
So the new lipstick you just bought.
Yeah.
So anyway, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
We didn't do a proper intro, but we're rookies, so bear with us. But anyway, good night.
Unruly.